We have seen that for installing an application to a target system, this is our target system, we need to do much more than just copying the executable file here. This application can have, of course, executable files with the matching code needed to run the program, but we can have data files, we can have config files, we need some required libraries, and we need to replicate all this on the target system. So how can we do that? Well, we could write a program, another program, just to perform this process. In the program, we could have the data here inside the program, and when executing the program in the target file, we could by hand copy the files, create the data files, maybe extract some data here, but it makes no sense that every everyone that needs to deploy an application to a target system write a program from scratch taking into account all this, because it's difficult in the target. It's very difficult to do that because the target system can have its own caveats. For example, the directories could be in another place, whatever. So what we do in this case is to create some kind of package system. The package system is a way of automatizing this way of installing application. So if we have the app, over the app, we have here in the target system, this is the target system, we have here the package manager. And when we want to deploy an app using this package manager, we add some information here, usually some meta information about the application, and build a single file. Usually this is a single file, and send that. On the target system, what we do is process this file through the package manager. This package manager will read the information that we have here. This could contain, of course, some scripts and whatever, and perform all the operations needed to install the application on the system. So we have a uniform way of packaging all the application in a single file. That's why this is called the package system, and a uniform way of installing this on the target system using the package manager. This is not something only, or this is not a Linux feature, but almost all operating systems have a package system. For example, in Windows, we have the MSA packages. In Mac OS, I think is PKG packages, and in Linux we have different package systems for different applications, for different distributions. We will see here the dev files, Debian package manager, but we can in Linux we have, for example, the RPM package manager for Red Hat distributions. We have the TXT for Slack distributions. We have for example, the APK for Alpine Linux. We have different package manager, but more or less the concepts of package managers are the same. So we will see in detail the Debian package manager file system, but it will be easy for you to use other package manager once you know the main concepts of this.